What's up guys, Julian Goldie here, and in this video we're going to talk about link building strategies for affiliate websites. And I mean the latest and greatest strategies that will exponentially increase your traffic to your website in 2022. And the truth is, successful affiliate marketing is impossible without effective link building strategies. You need a steady stream of high quality visitors if you want consistent sales, and the best way to do that is to rank well on Google, which you can only achieve by attracting a ton of high quality backlinks. So if you dream of one day running a successful affiliate marketing business and sipping mojitos by the beach as you make money on autopilot, it's time to learn the link building techniques that you can use to get ahead of the field. And the techniques that I will show you in this video have been used multiple times by our team to build backlinks for our clients and for my own affiliate websites, and the results have been exceptional. I would recommend really paying special attention to the strategies mentioned in part number 3, because I'll show you how we successfully use these methods to grow the traffic of our clients from 0 to 100,000 visitors. And also, if you watch to the very end, I'll share with you a bonus link building strategy that 99% of marketers have never heard of. So if you want to learn more about SEO and battle tested techniques to boost traffic to your affiliate website, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell, and let's just jump straight in. Right, so what exactly are these winning strategies? Well, I'll be showing you 4 affiliate marketing backlink strategies in this video, and to get the most from some of these tips, it will help you to have access to an SEO tool like Ahrefs. So first of all, let's talk about creating linkable skyscraper content. The best way to attract links is to actually have something worth linking to. And the only way to do this is to create 10x content that will blow people away. This is what the skyscraper strategy is all about. The skyscraper strategy focuses on creating content that is more in-depth and useful than anything else out there, that people can't help but log into their WordPress dashboard and add a cheeky backlink back to your site. That said, you can't simply pick a random topic, write a great article around it, and expect to generate thousands of backlinks, okay? Instead, what you need to do is to select topics in your niche that are known to be backlink magnets, popular topics that everyone wants to link to. Ahrefs is one of the fastest ways to find linkable popular content in your niche, and the process is easy. And here's how to go about it. So first of all, find a high domain authority blog in your niche that tends to get lots of backlinks. Then pop the site's URL into Ahrefs. Next, click on the top pages button on the left sidebar and look for content with at least 25 referring domains linking out to them. Those are the types of content we call link-worthy. And here's an example of what you will see if you follow the process. Repeat this process for 5 to 7 popular sites in your niche to get a bunch of topic ideas. And your next task will be to write your in-depth article. So you can make your article stand out by making it longer, more up to date, and adding more media such as videos, images, or infographics. You will then use Ahrefs to dig further to see who's linking to this kind of content on competitor pages. After all that, you'll contact the people linking to your competitors and ask them if they consider linking to your website as well. And if your content is better than what's already out there and your email is polite and nice and straight to the point, you should get a nice bit of traction for link building. Here's an example of how I use the skyscraper strategy to grow the traffic of my affiliate website, cheaperbirds.com, from 0 to 163,000 page views in less than 1 year of link building. So focusing on the skyscraper link building method, we reverse engineered the long form articles on the website that covered linkable topics. Then we approached similar websites that had linked to our competitors, and the traffic grew from roughly 3,000 organic visitors per month to 6,000 plus in just 4 months. The website now generates thousands of dollars passively without any new content or expensive ads. The image you see here is a screenshot from my Mediavine dashboard showing our ads income. And if you want to see this kind of result on your own website, you can always work with us and our link building agency. So you can start by booking a free consulting call with us at juliangoldie.com. Next up, let's talk about guest posting. So as an affiliate blogger, guest posts remain one of the most effective ways to build reputation, authority, and of course backlinks. If you want to get a shot at guest blogging on top publications, you will need to have at least one quality guest post published on a respected website. You will need this to give editors an example of your writing style and your quality. If you have never guest blogged before, I recommend just writing the best post you can and getting it published on a known website in your niche. It doesn't have to be a top authority website, just something that people would recognize if you reach out to them. There are plenty of techniques you can use to find popular blogs in your niche, and I explain those strategies at length in my free link building mastery book. The link to the ebook is in the description. Next up, time to talk about HARO Help Report Out. Now, HARO is a platform that connects journalists with people who can act as expert sources for their articles. The platform is very useful, regardless of what niche you work in, as there are opportunities to share all types of expertise and insight. However, you can't put all your eggs in the HARO basket, since there is no guarantee you will get picked as a source. So I would recommend testing it out to see if it's worth your time. Respond to at least 10 relevant queries and just calculate your overall conversion rate. If none of your responses get published, then maybe HARO isn't for you, or you need to return to other link building strategies, or maybe just optimize the process and get a lot better at pitching. Here's an example of a link we managed to secure for one of our clients on Forbes.com using HARO. And here's the impact of doing that HARO link building and the sort of results they got. Now, HARO isn't the only media request service you should use. SourceBottle is another one. Response Source and Quoted are other platforms you can join to broaden your options. The links to these sites are in the description. Next up, you could populate your affiliate website with visual content that's actually shareable, right? So typically, affiliate marketers are kind of limited in the type of content they might produce. They might do product overviews or comparisons or tips and tricks and how-tos. But that's why you need to add visual forms of media like infographics and videos to keep your readers engaged and also to attract backlinks to your website. And you can create attractive infographics to break up the dull wall of text on your website. These visual aids make things easier for your website visitors, and there's a great chance that other website owners would like to share this infographic with their audience too, providing it's a good source and a good piece of content. Now, all of the methods we've explored have the potential to deliver exceptional results. However, you must know that these strategies won't work on the first time you try them, right? Like everything related to SEO, it makes sense to invest in link building for the long run, and soon you will attract hundreds of quality sites to link to you. Anyhow, if you've had any success with the link building strategies we've mentioned today on your affiliate website, please let us know in the comment section. Now remember that time earlier in the video when I told you to pay special attention to the bonus strategy I will share at the end of the video. I have the video right here where I explain this novel audio link building strategy that can give you a leg up on the competition. Click into the playlist right now to see it. And if you haven't yet, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.